special for you guys. We are going to show you how to make poutine. So it is a really popular dish in Quebec, Montreal. If you're visiting Quebec and you're not trying poutine, you're missing out, trust me. Poutine, it is from French fries, some cheese and the gravy, and you're gonna love it. So what makes this video really special, I have my special guest. My sisters, they're gonna help me and we're gonna try to make the poutine for you guys.
Make it fun! Yeah. I have a better idea. How about we make it into a little challenge and you tell us what to do and we try to do it as best as we can, like the good old times at the restaurant.
Okay.
Let's do that!
Challenge accepted? Sure. Tell me, what is your favorite poutine?
My favorite poutine is from La Banquise, and
yes.
it's like 24/7 open, you know, and it was the Mexican poutine. It was the best.
So basically it's kind of spicy-ish?
It's spicy, hot peppers with ground beef. It's just heaven in your mouth.
So we have about 7 potatoes here and we're gonna leave the skin because you get the true poutine experience with this. Here we got some curd cheese, we got some cornstarch here, flour right here, we got some butter, we have chicken broth and beef broth. This is a mix of rosemary, thyme, and sage, some black pepper, water, and last but not least, I cannot pronounce this, it's Worcestershire sauce. So yeah, if you don't know how to pronounce this, comment down below. I want to know how you pronounce it. But yeah, I don't know. How do you pronounce this? Worcestershire? How do you pronounce this?
Worcestershire.
Yeah, Worcestershire, I guess. Worcestershire. So yeah.
All right, perfect.
I cannot really pronounce this. Could you pronounce it?
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
I can't pronounce this.
Worcestershire.
I think it's more like a question like, where's sister?
No, it's called Worcestershire.
Worcester sauce.
Worcester sauce.
Alright guys, if you have the same problem as us, if you cannot pronounce this, comment down below, let us know. Okay?
Yes.
Alright, so let's get to making the poutine. So I really love this part because I can boss them around and I tell them what to do. Yay!
Yeah, yay!
So one will wash the potatoes and I have to choose which one. So I'm so sorry. Maybe you can wash them.
First, you make sure you wash the potatoes. Alright, we are done now.
Alright, I'll be nice and I'm gonna help them too.
How many potatoes we have in total?
Should I help you guys?
No,
Just you wish.
guide us.
Alright, so they washed the potatoes, they're nice and clean, and now they're gonna chop it, right?
To make
it
like fries?
Fries.
Okay.
I just watch out.
Oh wow.
Don't cut yourself.
I'm like, wait a
This is
minute,
the
this is not the
ultimate-
way I chop it. Okay.
Oh my god, I feel like I can't even make fries.
No, this is not the way I chop it. Mom used to chop like this when we were
Yeah,
kids.
okay,
So
yeah.
Oh,
I just
wow.
Alright guys, let's just stop here. Like,
okay,
look at this one. Let's just
Oh my
no,
God.
Mom used to do that. I remember. Okay.
How to...
Alright guys, I have a tool for you both to use.
Oh my... Okay, but you're cheating.
Why?
Oh, but
Because you didn't show it to us first.
Well, here now, okay?
Okay, I don't even know how to use them.
Me.
Yeah, exactly. Bam!
Oh, it's not even lined up.
Wait, I'm just gonna...
Good job, good job. You guys are doing so well. Nice, nice. So okay, by the time you guys are chopping these, I'm gonna go warm up the oil. I'll be back.
All right.
Good job.
This chocolate is really good.
So you guys tell me, do you use olive oil usually or?
I mean, if you're eating poutine, don't be on a diet because it just doesn't work. So no, I don't use olive oil. I just use like the fatty oil. What is the fatty oil?
Alright,
the
so we're
canola
gonna
oil?
use canola oil, I guess, today.
Exactly.
Fatty oil. Today I'm gonna use canola oil.
I think my first time having a poutine was with you.
Wasn't it A&W?
I think it was A&W.
Yeah, I think we ate poutine at A&W for the first time. I was like
Yeah, you have some more.
8 years old, I think. For the first time, I had my own money. I mean, my own money. My parents gave me the money. And then we just decided to go to A&W by ourselves.
So
Remember?
basically, what was your favorite poutine ever?
Well, like the first time I tried it was just like just regular poutine. But now I really like the Mexican or Italian poutine. Oh, actually, you know what? I love Italian
the
poutine.
Italian poutine.
You should show them how to do Italian poutine one day.
yeah, we're gonna show them like different kind of poutine.
Oh.
Yeah.
My go-to is Italian poutine, cold Italian poutine for
Cold.
breakfast.
Oh my god.
Really?
Yeah,
Cold
judge me. It's really good. Oh my god, it's like it's just heaven in your mouth, you know. It's just you wake up, you have poutine, and you're like,
Okay.
So, are we gonna compare fries?
no, we don't have to do that.
Okay.
No, it's okay. We're not gonna compare.
Okay, so what's the
price.
next step?
Okay, so we are going to wash these again.
Okay, so I put it in this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what are you doing, Shaf? You're washing the potatoes? Now we're gonna soak it in the ice water. Doing that will help us to make our fries really crispy, and it's gonna be really, really tasty.
Didn't know
So
that.
that's a very, very good tip. If you guys
Cool.
want to do it.
That's good to know.
Do we put all of it? All the ice? Like, is it supposed to be like super?
You don't have to put all of it, just like few, and then we're gonna add the salt, and then soak the potatoes for maybe 30 minutes, and then we're good.
I really like these.
Yeah, they're really nice ice cubes.
And now we're gonna add some salt. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna soak the potatoes in the ice water.
Nice.
Okay, good. So I have a little tip. If you want to know if your oil is ready, you could just take a chopstick and just put it in here. And when you see it bubble up, like so, you know that it's ready.
Wow.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah. So now we're making the gravy, and for that we need 4 cups of water, and we're gonna add that now. So now we're adding the chicken stock and the beef broth. So basically it's half-half. In a pan, we're gonna add the flour, the butter, everything that we have here.
Sorry.
The spices, the cornstarch.
You
So
see?
this is the flour first.
So now we put the flour, and then we're gonna whisk it. So it's gonna become kind of pasty. Right, chef?
Yeah.
now Marcel will add the water and the cornstarch and she's gonna mix it. And then afterwards, we're just gonna add this to the pan. We're adding the beef broth to the pan that we have here. Nice.
To thicken it, you're gonna add some cornstarch. And voila.
I'm gonna add this sauce.
How do we pronounce it again?
No. And I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon. And you wanna make sure that you whisk it.
Okay, so now we're back here. We're gonna drain the potatoes and we're gonna let it dry. And then we're just gonna let it fry.
Yeah.
I'm struggling.
Alright guys, so before frying the fries, we are going to dry them out. And for that, we need a clean towel. So we're gonna bring the fries here.
Do you wanna help me with one?
Sure. I guess. Okay.
So we're just gonna dry it out. And then we're gonna add a bit of salt and then we are going to fry these.
So what's the point of drying these? Because I usually, whenever I make fries, I just...
Yeah. Well, we don't want like the oil to splash because it's really like extra hot. And also it's gonna help it to be more crispier.
I like crispy.
Okay, perfect.
That's so cool. So do we just fry this? Or, and
Yeah,
then
well,
we make
we're
the
gonna
second
transfer
batch?
this to like a bowl.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add some salt and then we're gonna fry it. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, girls. So now the potatoes are dry. You just have to put them in the bowl. And
Perfect.
salt. It's very optional. It's up to you. I like it salty, so I'm just gonna add some salt.
Perfect. So now I'm adding the rest. Oops.
You always
Excuse me
need a
for
sister.
the. And now we're gonna. You can add some salt. You can dry this out, and I can watch you guys and enjoy.
Like always.
Are you happy that your sisters are here to help you out?
Yeah, of course. It gives me a chance to boss them around and tell them what to do. So that's good.
Do you feel like they're actually helping or slowing you down?
No, they are helping, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's such a simple recipe, but because it's her recipe, you have like different ways and everything. Like everybody knows how to
Yeah,
make
like I
poutine.
have.
Yeah, it's so easy. I mean,
But
like,
yeah, it's a super easy. I love how you just dried that and you're cleaning your counter with
oh
that.
yeah, I'm so sorry. Like,
Can you cut that part, please?
Of course he's gonna cut it.
Don't film that.
Don't film that. Okay, good.
okay, perfect. So we're gonna add a bit of more salty.
Because we are salty.
So more salty here.
Yeah.
Perfect. So these are ready to be fried.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Can get me a pad for it? Oh my god.
I am not frying anything. You see what I'm scared? This is why.
Why? So now I'm gonna fry the potatoes. Yeah, I'll do this so the oil will get out. So basically, what she wants me to do is wait a minute and then put it back in and fry it for another minute. So I'm gonna do that right now. You could just go like this, but I'm too scared, so I'm gonna go in batches. Yeah?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Go for it.
I feel like this is very special because my stomach will be
I have
very
to-
happy. And I just can't wait to eat, you know. I've been fasting.
Oops. Perfect. So we got the gravy, we got the cheese. She's gonna go ahead to put the cheese in. Perfect. The gravy is really warm.
Wow.
And the cheese will melt right now. Will be cheesy. Alright guys, we're gonna do a taste test and we have our beautiful niece right here. Here, can you taste it for me? Thank you. How is it? Is it yummy?
Yum yum. Yum
I'm
yum.
waiting for this moment forever, you know.
Wait, are you getting emotional?
She sounds like she's accepting an Oscar award or something.
And I'm finally gonna taste it. Sorry, guys. We're gonna taste this. Very good. I feel like we did an amazing job. The sauce is just so good. It really tastes like restaurants. And the cheese is good too. Yeah? Wow. This is, I guess, the best poutine I ever had.
Yay! Here, give me 5.
I honestly think we did an amazing job with the sauce. It's just so good.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. It was really fun for me. Thank you so much for being here. I really enjoyed it. So if you guys like this type of videos, let me know in the comments down below. If you love to see more videos with my sisters, that would be awesome for me as well. So I can boss them around as much as I can. So yeah, until next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys.
Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. And like. Bye.
Say bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Liza, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye to Coco Powers. Bye-bye, everyone.
Say bye.
Run.